So let's dive in. Let's have a walk around. I'm already logged in. So firstly, the dashboard. This is obviously where there's quick links, where you can quickly search a shop or a product. You can quickly go to, all the tabs. It's basically the main part. It's your dashboard, right? So product search is going to hide the rest of that and just give you the bar. You can search a product. You can search any product you want. I'm going to come back to it in a minute. And you can search a type of shop of that product. So whatever your niche is, you can search products in the niche and you can search the shop. This is what this is. Between the product search and the shop search is searching for products that are working on Shopify stores as of now. This is how to find working stores that are selling products and finding products that are selling, right? So that's that. That's the shop search is the same, it's just the product and shop. Hot products, this is stuff that is on AliExpress, where they're doing well on AliExpress, they're selling well, these are good items that are doing well, that you can look at and you can favorite and you can import them into your store. I actually bought this camera the other day off the back of this. I'll come back to it when I show you, but I've actually paid for this camera. So hot products is hot things that are happening on AliExpress that are selling well, current products that are doing really well. And then hot websites, you've got top 100 websites that you can look at that are doing really well, and I'll talk to you about this and why they're doing well in a minute. And then my favorites. This is going to be where you will add products from that hot products, then you can download the information, import it into your shop. So you can add as many items as you want from that hot products list and import it into your Shopify once you've identified which products you want to use.